Hey, wait. Stop scrolling for just 1 second.
Okay, what is it?
This video, it is not for everyone.
What do you mean, not for everyone?
It is only for those who deep inside know they're wasting time.
Hmm. Okay, so what are we going to learn today?
I am going to show you the truth. The truth most people ignore every single day.
What truth?
Life does not change because of big moments. It changes because of small 5-minute decisions.
Wait, 5 minutes? Really?
Yes, really. Stay with me. This is important. Be honest with yourself right now.
Okay, I'm listening.
How did your morning start today?
I woke up, checked my phone, scrolled a bit.
Yeah, and that bit was how long?
Maybe 30 minutes, maybe more.
See, that is exactly it. 30 minutes gone, just like that, before the day even started.
Well, I mean, it's just scrolling.
No, it's not just scrolling. It's your time, your real life minutes disappearing.
Okay, I never thought of it that way.
Look, you open WhatsApp, 5 minutes pass. You open Instagram, 10 more go away. You open YouTube, another 20 are gone.
Oh, that sounds exactly like me.
You are part of this, I'm part of this. We all do it.
So, what happens because of this?
The work you planned stays unfinished. The book you wanted to read stays closed. The skill you wanted to learn stays untouched.
Right, and then at night I feel bad about it.
Yes, and you promise yourself tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow becomes today, and the same thing happens again.
That is so true. That is literally my life.
Stop. Think. When was the last time you finished something important, really finished it?
I can't even remember.
Let me tell you something about time. Something very simple but very powerful.
Okay, tell me.
If water falls from a glass and hits the floor, can you put it back?
No, you cannot.
Time is exactly like that. Water once spilled cannot return, and time once gone never comes back.
Ah, that's really deep.
Every hour you waste scrolling, it disappears. You cannot ask for it back, not from anyone.
Yeah, I know, but it's hard to stop.
Think about this. Remember that exam you missed? That night you spent doing nothing? That opportunity you let pass?
Oh, yes, I still think about those days sometimes.
That missed exam time, it never returned. That lost night, it never repeated. It's gone forever.
So, what should I do? I mean, I can't rewind time.
You're right. You cannot go back, but you can start right now, this exact moment. That's in your hands.
All right, I hear you. Go on.
Listen, have you ever seen a bird making its nest?
Yes, I have. They pick small pieces of grass and twigs.
Exactly. One small piece at a time, step by step, the nest becomes complete.
So, you're saying life works the same way?
Yes, 100%. Look at rain. It falls drop by drop, and those drops fill rivers, oceans, the entire world's water.
Wow, really never thought about it like this.
A plant does not grow in one day. It grows slowly, quietly, every single day, just a little more.
Yeah, but sometimes it feels like I'm not growing at all.
That feeling is normal, but it is not the truth. Growth is happening inside, even when you do not see it.
Come on, how do you know that?
Think with me. You study a little today, a little tomorrow. Slowly the knowledge builds, like a wall, one brick at a time, until it stands tall and strong.
So, the small steps actually matter more than the big ones?
Always. Every great thing in life was built small, step by step, day by day.
I want to believe that. I really do.
Wait, I will make it even clearer for you. Listen to this next part. Tell me, when you first held a book as a child, did you read the whole thing in one day?
No, of course not. Learning to read took months.
Exactly. A book is not learned in one day. It comes slowly, page by page, word by word.
Yeah, I remember struggling with letters when I was young.
And what about cycling? Remember your first time on a bicycle?
Ugh, I fell so many times. It was embarrassing.
But you kept going, and now you ride without even thinking about it. Cycling takes time, and so does everything worth learning.
That is true. Practice really does make a difference.
You know, even using your phone, you were not an expert on day one. You learned slowly, step by step.
Huh, yeah, I remember asking for help all the time at first.
And cooking. The first dish you made was probably a disaster, but with practice, your food got better and better.
Seriously, I nearly burned the kitchen once. Laughing. But yes, I'm much better now.
Even games. You know how you improve at games? Not by playing once, but by playing again and again.
Oh yeah, repetition changes everything in gaming.
So, life is the same game. You play it daily, you improve daily. There are no shortcuts, only consistent small effort.
Okay, I think I'm starting to feel this. Really feel it.
Good. Now let me show you something practical, something you can actually use starting today.
I'm ready. Tell me.
How long does it take you to check WhatsApp every morning?
Maybe 5 minutes, sometimes more.
So you already have a 5-minute WhatsApp habit every single day without fail.
Yes, I never skip that.
And making tea or coffee in the morning, how long does that take?
About 5 minutes.
See, you already use 5 minutes perfectly for things you want to do. So 5 minutes is possible. You have already proved it.
Oh, that's a really smart way to think about it.
Now, try this. Tomorrow morning, before WhatsApp, spend just 5 minutes reading something useful. One page of a book, one idea, one lesson.
Just 5 minutes of reading?
Yes, just 5 minutes. That's it. Not an hour, not a day, just 5 quiet minutes with one good idea.
That sounds doable. I can actually do that.
Good. Now add 5 minutes of learning something new, a word, a skill, a thought. Just 5 minutes of focused attention.
So 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes learning, that's only 10 minutes total.
Exactly. 10 minutes that could change your entire direction in life. Small but powerful. Quiet but life-changing.
Wow, when you put it that way, it sounds so simple.
It is simple. That is the secret most people miss. They think change needs huge effort, but real change comes from 5 focused minutes done every day.
Listen, I have wasted so much time already. Is it too late for me?
No, it is never too late. The best moment to start was yesterday. The second best moment is right now.
Right now.
Right now, this second, this breath, this moment. Start here.
You know, I always thought I needed to wait for the perfect time, perfect mood, perfect plan.
That is the biggest trap. The perfect time never comes. Never. Not for anyone.
So successful people do not wait.
They do not wait. They act, even imperfectly, even with just 5 minutes. They start and they keep going.
I never looked at it that way before.
Think with me. Right now, how are you feeling? Inside, honestly.
A little guilty, but also kind of motivated.
Hold that motivation. Do not let it go. That's your real self speaking. That part of you that knows better.
You're right. That voice is always there. I just ignore it most of the time.
Stop ignoring it. Start listening to it. Your future is shaped by whether you listen or scroll.
That's powerful, honestly.
Feel this. Every time you choose your phone over your goal, you're telling yourself that your dream is not worth 5 minutes.
Oh, that hurts a little.
It should, because it's true, and truth sometimes hurts before it helps.
I think I needed to hear this.
Now let me show you what happens when you actually start using those 5 minutes every day.
Okay, what changes?
First, that small habit, that tiny 5-minute habit, it slowly becomes your biggest success.
How? That seems hard to believe.
I know it sounds small, but 1 year of 5-minute daily reading is 365 new ideas inside your head. Think about that.
Oh, wow, 365 ideas. That's a lot.
Second, your brain becomes faster, sharper, more creative because you're feeding it good things instead of random noise.
So my brain actually gets better just from 5 minutes a day.
Yes, every good habit trains the brain, just like exercise trains the body. Small daily effort, big long-term result.
And skills? What about skills?
Skills improve the same way. 5 minutes of practice today, 10 minutes tomorrow. By next month, you'll surprise yourself.
I want to surprise myself. That actually excites me.
Good. And here's the best part. Your confidence grows, not from one big achievement, but from showing up every single day.
Confidence just from showing up?
Yes, when you keep a promise to yourself every day, even a small one, you begin to trust yourself, and that trust becomes confidence.
So self-trust comes before confidence.
Always, always trust yourself first. Confidence follows naturally.
And direction. I sometimes feel lost, like I don't know where I'm going.
I understand that feeling completely. But listen, when you start using 5 minutes daily with purpose, your life finds direction slowly, beautifully.
Like a compass.
Exactly like a compass. Small, consistent effort gives your life a direction that grows clearer every single day.
Okay, I feel something shifting inside me right now.
That is growth knocking at your door. Open it. Think about someone you admire, someone successful, someone you look up to.
Yes, I am thinking of someone.
Do you think they became great in one day, one week, one big lucky moment?
No, I know they worked for a long time.
Yes. Behind every person you admire, there are thousands of small, quiet moments. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, day after day after day.
So it is never about one big moment, it is always about the small ones.
Always. The big moment is just the surface. Underneath it, there are a million small decisions made in silence, made when nobody was watching.
When nobody was watching, that hit different.
Yeah, your real character is built when no one is looking. What do you do with your 5 minutes when no one is checking?
Honestly, I scroll or do nothing.
And that's okay, because now you know, now you see it clearly, and awareness is always the first step to change.
Yeah, I see it now. I really do.
So from today, when you pick up your phone, just pause for 1 second. Ask yourself, is this the best use of my 5 minutes right now?
Just that one question.
Just that one question. It will change everything.
I used to think I needed to do something huge to feel good about myself.
Most people think that, but the truth is, small wins every day feel even better than one rare huge win.
Really? Why is that?
Because small wins are every day. They keep you going. They keep you motivated. They give you energy. Big wins are rare and far apart.
So the daily small wins are the actual fuel.
Exactly the fuel. And 5 minutes is your daily win. Every single morning. Just 5 minutes of something meaningful. Now, I want to talk directly to you, the person watching this right now.
Yes, speak to them.
You were part of this. This message was made for you, not for someone else, for you, right now, in this exact moment of your life.
That is true. I felt it was for me the whole time.
Be honest with yourself, really honest. Are you using your time or losing it?
I think I have been losing it.
And that is okay, because right now you are making a different choice. You stayed till here. That means something. That means you care.
I do care. I just did not know how to start.
You start exactly where you are, not somewhere better, not with better tools, not with more time, exactly where you are, with just 5 minutes.
Exactly where I am with 5 minutes.
Yes, try this now, right after this video. Do not open another video, do not scroll. Take 5 minutes and write one goal you want to achieve this week.
Just one goal. Just write it down.
Just one, that's it. Writing it makes it real. Real things get done. Ideas in the head stay as dreams.
All right, I will do it. I promise.
Good. Now remember this. Every person who ever made something of themselves did not start big. They started real. They started small. They started daily.
Start real, start small, start daily. I like that.
So I want to leave you with something you will remember long after this video ends.
I'm listening. Go on.
Your life will not change because of one great day. It will change because of many ordinary days lived with just a little more intention.
Ordinary days lived with intention.
Yes, you do not need a perfect life. You need a purposeful 5 minutes every single day. That's it. That's the whole secret.
The whole secret in 5 minutes.
If you want to change your life, you do not need a full day. You do not need a perfect plan. You just need 5 minutes, and you need to start today.
Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today.
Today, right now, this moment is yours. Do not waste it. Do not scroll past it. Use it.
I will. I really will. Thank you. I needed this more than I knew.
And to everyone watching, if this touched you, even a little, share it with someone who needs to hear it too.
Yes, someone out there needs this today.
Subscribe so you never miss a truth that could change your direction. And watch the next video because the next step is waiting for you.
I'm already clicking. Let's go.
Let's go, 5 minutes at a time.